what's going on? It's your girl Shaman. I'm back with another video. As y'all see today, I got my boy Zayden. I don't have more today, Zayden. Oh, you guys, that's the detangler spray. I don't know why you can't see it, but it's from Pink. It's from Pink Kids. Yeah. But we back with another hair video. So yeah, y'all see me. I'm just brushing my baby's hair. Seeing where I want the part at. About to give that boy a bust down middle part. Y'all know what's going on. Told y'all I was coming back with these hair videos because I see y'all actually enjoy them. Comment down below what else you guys would like me to do hair wise, and your girl got y'all. But yeah, I'm just parting his hair down the middle. Y'all see more, we're never too far away. She's right next to us in the cut. Yeah, but y'all see me parting your boy hair. I came this time different with you. I came different this time, you guys. Instead of always doing Maurice's hair, I got my baby boy Zayden. Right here, you guys, I have my edge control. Can't really see, but it's the 24-hour tamer. I add a little bit of that to his hair, you know, just to maintain the part, so that it could be a crispy part, you guys. And even right here watching, I did all this to do a straight part, you guys. It's still a little cricky, but it's okay. Look, they said hi. Zayden more say hi, you guys. Say hi back. Yeah, but we're starting his first part. Okay, you guys, right here, y'all gonna see the hairstyle I'm doing today is the Iverson braids. The Island Iverson braids is an old hairstyle, but I want to do something simple for my baby. Simple and cute for my baby. For back this. Cool. Yeah, Maura showing us she got candy. She's showing us her got some candy. But I'm about to get started on that first braid. And I actually sped the video up, you guys, because I didn't want to, you know, bore y'all with that. But I like doing these little videos, little voiceovers and stuff. Look at me, busy running that mouth, running that mouth. Full disclosure, you guys, it might look like every time I turn his head, it might look like I'm doing it hard, but I'm not. Like I told you guys, I sped the video up. Add a little more stuff to his hair. Gonna part it. I'm gonna show you guys, I think this 1 or 2 more times. Look at this girl on the side of me. I did not even see none of this, you guys. She's biting the coins. It's chocolate coins. And she's biting straight through the wrapper. Okay, right here in the next clip. Okay, I did a few braids, you guys. Look how soft my baby hair is. He got that good hair. And believe it or not, I don't know if you guys can see it through the video, but Zayden has some really, really long hair. His hair is down his back. Oh, right here, you guys, I'm showing y'all I'm done my first braid. Well, my first row. It's gonna be a total of 4 braids. So after you do the smaller braids, then you go on and do the bigger braid, you guys. So basically, it's little braids into one big braid. If you get what I'm trying to say, you guys are gonna see right here. So just stay tuned and continue watching the video. Everything about you, your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny.
got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, goes on and on and on. Give me a feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, right here I'm done the first 2 rows and I'm on to my 3rd row right here. Just showing you guys, step by step basically. Mind you guys, this is the 3rd time I'm doing this voiceover. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'm just braiding his hair down, getting it right. Okay, right here I'm showing y'all I'm done the 3rd row, and y'all see, look, thumbs up. Y'all see what I keep showing y'all, like, yo, I did all that for the part, and the part is still daggone cricket. Right here we're down to the very last row, and my baby boy is gonna be so cute. But I added the detangler, and now I'm brushing his hair. So yeah. As y'all can see, I'm parting his hair. Give him a nice part. Look at my handsome baby. He is so fine. Right here, y'all see him exaggerating a little bit. He to my out, mom, out. So I know he was over it at this point, but your girl, I loosened up a little bit for him because I guess it was actually hurting him. I loosened up for him. Because Zayden also, you guys, I don't know if y'all kids do that, but mine do. When he's at the last braid, like when he's at the last row or the last braid, you guys, he gets irritated. But yeah, I had to show him it was his last row. Look at my baby. He is so freaking handsome. We knocking out that last braid right there, y'all. Your girl had to get it done. Yep, and if you guys haven't seen the video before this, is their back to school morning routine. So this video is basically posted late, but just go check that out. Y'all gonna see the finished product of his hair, and basically y'all see the kids going back to school. Comment down below any other hairstyles or cooking videos that you guys would like me to do, because your girl got y'all. I got y'all. I'm adding a little product right there so I can maintain the bottom of those ends. Look at me tucking my fat in. Terrible. I'm just brushing his hair out a little more. Brush, 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 brush. You guys, like I told y'all, this is my freaking third time doing this voiceover, but it's okay. I got y'all. I'm just trying to get my baby head right so I can braid his hair. Like I told y'all, it's kind of long. So my baby hair is long, not kind of long. His hair is down his back. It's just certain hairstyles I hate that it makes his hair look shorter.
Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right?
Yeah, we down to that last braid, the last little stitching. Y'all don't know how happy I was, how happy he was. Get that baby good and ready for school tomorrow. Yes, got him looking nice and good. You guys, this is the end of the video, and y'all gonna see, I'm gonna show y'all how his hair looks. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on. Comment down below any other videos you guys would like to see. It's your girl Sean and your boy Zay Zay, and we are out of here. Look at his smile. Peace.